Hello friends, good morning to all. Today we are going to see a new poem that is Any Woman by Catherine Tynan. Here in the last class we have seen that the three L's of empowerment by Christine Lagarde, isn't it? Here now we are going to see a new poem that is Any Woman by Catherine Tynan. Here let us see about Catherine Tynan now. Catherine Tynan is an Irish-born writer known mainly for her novels and poetry. She has to have credit more than a score of novels and 7 books of verse. She usually wrote under the name Catherine Tynan Hinson. Her human sympathy is keen, tender, warm and constant. The poem Any Woman presents the all-embracing power of a woman to hold a family together. So here what are the things given about Catherine Tynan? She is an Irish writer. She has written many novels and poetry, and verse 2, here verse here meaning the poem that was written in rhythmically. Okay. Here the next one is she wrote under the name Catherine Tynan Hinson. Then her human sympathy, how she was. Her sympathy is keen, tender, warm and constant. Here the poem Any Woman presents the all-embracing power of a woman to hold the family together. So here the theme of the poem is the importance of women in the family. Okay, the theme of the poem is the importance of women in the family. Now let me enter to the poem. That some entry questions are the, let me see first there. Here, what is your concept of freedom? When does a person enjoy real freedom? So here, what is your concept of freedom? Here, we know about freedom. In the last lesson, we have seen what is freedom, how we are enjoying the freedom. We are enjoying the freedom partially, isn't it? So here, when does a person enjoy real freedom? Only when he gets fulfillment, isn't it? When he was enjoying the real freedom here, answer for that one is when we get fulfillment. Okay. Do women enjoy real freedom? Do women enjoy real freedom? Yes, it should be. Yes, of course, it is partially. Here, women support a family, but they are really supported by the family. Here, but are they really supported by the family? Here, the women was supporting the family, but are the people in the family are supporting women? That's the question mark, isn't it? So that's why here Christine Lagarde says in the last lesson that women want education. The next one is labor and leadership. If they have learning and labor, what will happen? They will get status, isn't it? They will get more or less freedom. So here, women support a family. Are they really supported by the family? Do women share equal status with men? Are they share? Here, women share equal status with men. Here, yes, more or less, isn't it? More or less they are getting equal status with men. Here, the poem Any Woman by Catherine Tynan. Here, it's a poem with 6 stanzas. Isn't it? Here, the poem was written in the form of monologue. The poem was written in the form of monologue. Here, shall I ask some questions? Whom do you love most? If I am asking to you, whom do you love most? Your father or mother? Here most of the children will say as mother. Isn't it? So here why? She can understand what's in you. She can understand what's in you. She can understand your feelings. Here she knows how to handle you and how to hold you. Isn't it? She knows how to handle you or holds you. Here the poem Any Woman. Here Catherine Tynan, she highlights the social significance. She highlights the social significance of women as lovely mother. As lovely mother. Here we know the plight of women in the social scenario. Isn't it? The Indian scenario. Here we know the plight. Here what is the meaning of plight? Here the difficulties, the adversities of women in the Indian scenario. Here she has number of responsibilities. Women have number of responsibilities. Here she struggles hard. She struggles hard to nurture the family. Isn't it? She struggles hard to nurture the family. Here the speaker in this poem is a dedicated housewife. Here the speaker in this poem is a dedicated housewife. Okay, let me enter to the poem. I am the pillar of the house, the keystone of the arch am I. Take me away, and roof and wall would fall to ruin me utterly. Here I am the pillars of the house, the keystone of the arch am I. Take me away, and roof and wall would fall to ruin me utterly. Here, what is the importance of pillar in the house? What is the need of pillar in the house? It supports the house, isn't it? The pillar that supports the house. Then next one, the keystone of the arch. Here, what is the importance of keystone? Here in the arch. So the main stone, keystone here meaning main stone. So the main stone is very important in the arch. Am I, take me away, and roof and wall would fall to ruin me utterly. If you take away the pillar, if you take away the keystone from the arch and from the house, what will happen? It will ruin. The house will be ruined. So here, take me away the roof and wall. If you take the roof or if you take the wall, what will happen? Would fall, the house will fall and it will ruin me utterly. At last the house will be ruined. So in the first stanza it was telling about the house, the importance of pillar and the importance of keystone of the arch. So if you take away the roof and wall or the pillar or the keystone, what will happen? The house will be ruined. So here, I am the pillar of the house. I am the pillars here meaning I. Here who is that I? Woman. I am the pillars of the house means here I here meaning woman. So it is connected. Here I am the pillars of the house. How the pillars are important to the house. Like that the woman is important in a family. Okay. The keystone of the arch am I. Again she was saying that the keystone of the arch am I. Here she was the keystone of the arch. So for the arch the keystone is very important. Like that here the woman is very important in a family. If you take away the pillar and arch, what will happen? It will be ruined. Like that, if you take away the mother from the house, here woman here meaning mother. If you take away woman or mother from the house, what will happen? Everything in the house will be disturbed. Isn't it? Everything in the house will be disturbed. Okay, now let me see the second stanza. I am the fire upon the hearth. I am the light of the good sun. I am the heat that warms the earth, which else were colder than a stone. I am the fire. Here I am the fire upon the hearth. Here hearth here meaning aduppu enna. Hearth here meaning aduppu. So I am the fire in the house. What is the use of hearth? Here fire, isn't it? Fire is for ഒരു അടുപ്പുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്താണ് അവിടെ തീ ഉണ്ടാവും. So here I am the fire upon the hearth. I am the light of the good sun. Here I. She was repeating the letter I. Here I here meaning woman. So here woman is considered to be the fire upon the hearth. Woman is considered to be the fire upon the earth. I am the light of the good sun. Here for the good sun. Here I am the light of the good sun here meaning I am the light. I am the light of love. I am the light of the sun. Here if there is no sunlight, what will happen? The earth will be darkened. There won't be any photosynthesis or any thing that will happen, isn't it? So here I am the fire upon the earth. എങ്ങനെയാണ് അടുപ്പിൽ എന്താണ് തീ ഉണ്ടാവുമോ അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ഇവിടെ ഞാൻ വീട്ടിലുണ്ടായാൽ മാത്രമേ എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും ശരിയാവും എന്നവിടെ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നു. Here I am the light of the good sun. ഞാൻ സൂര്യന്റെ വെളിച്ചം പോലെയാണ്. I am the light of the good sun. How the sunlight is important to the earth. Like that here mother is also or woman is also important in a family. I am the heat that warms the earth. I am the heat that warms the earth. Isn't it? Here I am the heat that warms the earth. Here due to the sunlight the earth was heat and warm. The earth was getting heat and warm. Like that here children are growing in the love of mother. Okay, the children like that children are growing with the what? With the love of mother. Okay. Which else were colder than a stone? Which else were colder than a stone? If there is no sunlight, what will happen? Here it will be like the cold stone. Okay, the earth will be like a cold stone. ഭൂമി എന്താണ് തണുത്ത് വിറച്ച ഒരു കല്ല് പോലെയാവും അല്ലേ? So like that here if mother or woman is not in the home, everything will be disturbed. Okay, here again I am reading the second stanza. I am the fire upon the earth. I am the light of the good sun. I am the heat that warms the earth, which else were colder than a stone. So here woman is considered to be the fire, and she was considered to be the light of the good sun. And next point is how the earth was getting the sunlight, and which was important to us. Like that here children are getting love from the mother. Okay, now here the third stanza. At me the children warm their hands. I am the light of love alive. Without me cold the hearthstone stands, nor could the precious children thrive. So at me the children warm their hands. So the children are getting love from the mother. Okay, the children are getting love from their mother. They are growing only with the love of mother. Here at me the children warm their hands. I am the light of love alive. Here light of love, സ്നേഹത്തിന്റെ വെളിച്ചമാണ്. Okay, here woman is considered to be the light of love. Here without me cold the hearthstone stands. So if mother is not in the house, here it will be like the cold hearthstone. അടുപ്പുകല്ല്, ഒരു തണുത്ത അടുപ്പുകല്ല് എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ അതുപോലെ ആയിരിക്കും അമ്മ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സ്ത്രീ വീട്ടിലില്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്നവിടെ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. So here without me cold the hearthstone stands, nor could the precious children thrive. If mother is not in the house, or if she was not able to look after her children, what will happen? The precious children, they could not thrive in a good manner. Here thrive here meaning growing. Okay, കുട്ടികൾ എന്താ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ വളരാൻ സാധ്യത കുറവാണ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. So here without me cold the hearthstone stands, nor could the precious children thrive. So if the children are not getting the love of mother, they could not live or they could not grow in a good condition. Okay, so here that is the meaning for the 3 stanzas. So ആദ്യത്തെ stanzയിൽ എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? ഒരു പില്ലേഴ്സ്, അതായത് വീട്ടിന്റെ ഒരു തൂണായിട്ട് പറയുന്നു സ്ത്രീനെ. അടുത്ത ലൈനിൽ പറയുന്നത് ഒരു ആർച്ചിന്റെ കീ സ്റ്റോൺ ആയിട്ടാണ് സ്ത്രീനെ പറയുന്നത്. ആ വീട്ടിന്റെ എന്താണ് റൂഫ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വാൾ നമ്മൾ ഒഴിവാക്കി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ആ വീട് തമർന്നു വീഴുന്നുണ്ടോ അതുപോലെ ആയിരിക്കും എന്താണ് ഒരു സ്ത്രീ വീട്ടിലില്ലാത്ത ഒരു അവസ്ഥ എന്ന് പറയും. അപ്പോ എവറിത്തിങ് വിൽ ബി ഡിസ്റ്റർബ് എന്നാ പറയുന്നത്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റാൻസിൽ പറയുന്നത് ഞാൻ അടുപ്പിന്റെ തീയാണ് എന്നാ പറയുന്നത്. ഇവിടെ സ്ത്രീനെ എന്തെന്നാ പറയുന്നത്? അടുപ്പിലത്തെ തീ ആയിട്ടാണ് ഇവിടെ കരുതുന്നത്. I am the light of the good sun. സൂര്യന്റെ വെളിച്ചമാണ് ഞാൻ എന്നവിടെ സ്ത്രീനെ പറയുന്നത്. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഒരു സൂര്യന്റെ വെളിച്ചം ഭൂമിക്ക് ആവശ്യമോ അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ഇവിടെ സ്ത്രീയുടെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മദറിന്റെ സ്നേഹം വീട്ടിലത്തെ അന്തരീക്ഷത്തിനും അതേപോലെ തന്നെ കുട്ടികളുടെ വളർച്ചയ്ക്കും വളരെയധികം ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ് ആണ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് ഇൻ ദ തേർഡ് സ്റ്റാൻസ, മൂന്നാമത്തെ സ്റ്റാൻസയിൽ എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? At me the children warm their hands. കുട്ടികൾ വളരുന്നത് എന്താണ്? മദറിന്റെ ഒരു സ്നേഹത്തിലാണ്. And I am the light of love എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഞാൻ സ്നേഹത്തിന്റെ വെളിച്ചമാണ് എന്ന് പറയണത്. Okay, I am the light. I am എന്നിവിടെ പറയണത് അതിനാണ് ഒരു മോണോലോഗ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. I am the fire. ഞാൻ ഫയർ ആണ്, ഞാൻ കീ സ്റ്റോൺ ആണ്, ഞാൻ പില്ലറാണ്, ഞാൻ ലൈറ്റ് ആണ് എന്നൊക്കെയാണ് ഇവിടെ സ്ത്രീനെ വെച്ച് പറയുന്നത്. I am the light of love. ഞാൻ സ്നേഹത്തിന്റെ വെളിച്ചമാണ്. പിന്നെ without me cold the hearthstone stands, nor could the precious children thrive. Thrive എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇവിടെ വളരുക, കുട്ടികൾ വളർച്ചയിൽ അമ്മമാർക്കുള്ള പങ്ക് വളരെയധികം കൂടുതലാണ് എന്നാ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട്. Okay, now let us wind up the class here. We will see in the next class. Thank you.